Howdy folks, check out this fancy USB Type-C microphone by AKG. Not too shabby, huh? This package is densely packed. Underneath these papers we get the microphone totally wrapped in foam and feels very cozy and well protected. I was really surprised by the size and weight of this thing. I expected smaller and lighter, but this microphone is metallic and feel very hard and robust. This mic also has a regular headphone jack and can be conveniently used as an output device. You can connect this directly either to your phone or your PC. No need to carry around any big XLR amplifiers. I can record this with my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra with a standard voice recorder. And this recording was made with the good old Windows voice recorder. This microphone has several controls. For example, you can adjust the audio gain to maximum, or you can spin it to the lowest setting. There are several microphone patterns to choose from. The default front mode is when you're talking all alone to your mic, like me here. The front and back mode is awesome for an interview or a close conversation. The tight stereo is to record a single musical instrument. And the wide stereo mode is best used to record the whole band. What did I like about this mic? It's very well built and packaged. The sound is crisp, the controls are useful, and most important, it's plug and play and can be taken anywhere and used with any device. So what's wrong with it? Well, it's big and heavy, expensive, and cannot be folded. Keep it real, folks.